Assalamu alaikum students. In our previous two presentations, we learned about the course content in the introduction of the book. Today we are starting the first lesson of the book. So first I will try to do the model reading for you people, and then you are going to do the same after me. Okay, and going further. Pika Pika is the old name for a magpie. Magpies are clever birds with big brains. When they look in a mirror, they know they are looking at themselves. However, they also have some bad habits. They are aggressive and are prepared to fight to keep what they have. They can be lazy, sometimes taking up to 40 days to build a nest. Their nests are untidy, and worst of all, they steal from other nests twigs, grass, and even eggs. Magpies also steal shiny items such as rings and chains. The untidy nest. Long ago, the wise old owl was teaching the birds to make nests. They were all listening and learning, except for one, Pika Pika the magpie. Every time the owl spoke, the clever, confident magpie would say, "Ka, I knew that before." After a while, the other birds got fed up with the magpie. "Well, if you know it all, you can finish your nest yourself," said the owl. The birds flew away and left the chattering magpie alone. This is why, to this day, the magpie is slow at building a nest and steals from other birds. An untidy, half-made bundle of sticks is the best he can produce. Okay, students, now I'm coming towards the explanation of this unit. But before explaining this unit, first of all, I am trying to make you understand what type of text is it. It is a fable. And if we look to the end part of this unit here, this story is a fable. A fable is a story that is made up but that teaches a message. Fables usually include animals, birds, or plants that talk. Fables make us think because there are elements of truth in them. Okay, this is this part of the book tells us about the Pika Pika. What is Pika Pika? It is a fable. What is fable? Fable is a story. If I go for the simple meaning of the word fable, so fable means a story. Okay. So, what type of story? A story in which there are talking birds, or talking animals, or talking plants. So, such stories are not true stories, they are made up. Made up means somebody write them from their imagination. Okay? They are not true story. But what is the true part of the story? It teaches us a message. It gave us some message. So I am trying to explain this story, and you yourself will try to elicit the message. You yourself will try to find what message this story is giving to us. So I am just reading and explaining the text again. Okay. Pika pika. Pika pika is the old name for a magpie. Magpie is a bird, a small bird. You can see the picture of magpie here. So it is a small bird, and Pika Pika is the name given to that bird by the writer of this story. Okay, so what the writer says, that the old name of a magpie is Pika Pika. Magpies are clever birds with big brains. So there are some good qualities and some bad qualities shared with us in this part of the lesson. And they say that magpies are clever birds with big brains. This is one of the good qualities. When they look in a mirror, they know they are looking at themselves. So, whenever a magpie is looking in the mirror, so it knows that it is looking to itself. Like if there are other birds or animals, if they look to themselves in the mirror, like we have seen many times when a cat is looking to itself in the mirror, so it tries to fight with itself. It considers, it thinks that there is an other cat on the other part of the mirror, but in fact it is the reflection of the same cat. So when a magpie is looking to its reflection, or a magpie is looking to itself in the mirror, it knows that it is looking to itself and it does not fight with itself. Okay, so that's why it is said that it is a clever bird, and when they are looking at themselves, however, they also when they are looking in a mirror, they know they are looking at themselves. However, they also have some bad habits. Okay, there are some bad habits. I am counting them to you. They are aggressive. Aggressive means all the time ready to fight. What is the meaning? And are ready and are prepared to fight, to keep what they have. So if magpie steals something or it is having something, so they are very aggressive and they are ready to fight all the time to keep what things it has. They are, this is one of the bad habits, that they are aggressive. Okay. Second, they can be lazy. Look here, it is a second bad habit. They are lazy, sometimes taking up to 40 days to build a nest, and taking 40 days to make it nest. Okay, their nests are untidy. This is the third bad habit, that their nests are not clean, neat, they are untidy. And worst of all, they steal. This is the fourth bad habit, that they steal things. They steal from other nest twigs, grass, and even eggs. Magpies also steal shiny items such as rings and chains. Okay, so in this part of the story, we have learned 6 habits of the magpie. Okay, 2 are good and 4. Okay.